Hi guys, I am here to talk to you about the citric acid cycle. At the end of glycolysis, we have two pyruvate molecules that still contain extractable energy. Pyruvate oxidation is the next step in capturing the remaining energy in the form of ATP, although no ATP is made directly during pyruvate oxidation. Pyruvate is produced by glycolysis in the cytoplasm, but pyruvate oxidation takes place in the mitochondrial matrix. So before the chemical reactions begin, pyruvate must enter the mitochondrion, crossing its inner membrane and arriving at the matrix. Pyruvate is modified in a series of steps. A carboxyl group is snipped away. A carboxyl group is snipped off of a pyruvate and released as a molecule of carbon dioxide, leaving behind a 2-carbon molecule. The 2-carbon molecule from the first step is oxidized, and the electrons lost in the oxidation are picked up by NAD+ to form NADH. The oxidized 2-carbon molecule, an acetyl group, which is attached to coenzyme A, CoA, an organic molecule derived from vitamin B5 to form acetyl-CoA. Acetyl-CoA is sometimes called a carrier molecule, and its job here is to carry the acetyl group to the citric acid cycle. These steps are carried out by a large enzyme complex called the pyruvate dehydrogenase complex, which consists of 3 interconnected enzymes and includes over 60 subunits. At a couple stages, the reaction intermediates actually form covalent bonds to the enzyme complex, or more specifically to the cofactors. The pyruvate dehydrogenase complex is an important target for regulation as it controls the amount of acetyl-CoA fed into the citric acid cycle. If we consider that the 2 pyruvates that enter from glycolysis, we can summarize the oxidation process by 2 molecules of pyruvate are converted into 2 molecules of acetyl-CoA. Then 2 carbons are released as carbon dioxide out of the 6 originally present in the glucose. 2 NADH are generated from the NAD+. Acetyl-CoA serves as fuel for the citric acid cycle in the next stage of cellular respiration. The addition of CoA helps activate the acetyl group, preparing it to undergo the necessary reactions to enter the citric acid cycle. Thanks, guys.